Hi, thank you for clicking my first link. And again, this is Greed for Money, and this is going to be my presentation about the company. All right, so let's get started. Well, most of the time, yung mga MLM company out there are, what they're doing is, uh, meron silang produkto na binebenta, right? And then the product is something na napapansin ko is hindi naman talaga kailangan ng tao. See that? I mean, though the product is good, but about the demand, about getting the product is something that's hindi naman talaga kailangan. Alright? So, that's why what they're doing is nag-offer na lang silang incentive program to buy the product, and all that good stuff. Pero, yung pinaka-value ng product sa isang networking is hindi talaga nabebenta. Alright? So that's why before you even join to any opportunity out there, we have to check on the marketability. Number one. Alright? Check yan. Pangalawa is the cost. Okay? Cost is madali ba siya ma-afford? There are some other networking company dyan na ang mahal ng entry level. I mean, in pay-in, like 9,000, 10,000. I mean, you're not gonna pay that, right? Ayoko yun. And then, third thing is the company. Kung big time ba yung company na nag-establish ng MLM, that is something that you need to know. Alright? So, my first option for that, or first choice ever since, is V-Mobile. Why? Kasi almost all of us are using cellphone load, right? Meron pang iba gumagamit ng load sa phone, sa landline, then may gumagamit ng gaming cards, internet cards. Actually, sobrang dami. The good thing about V-Mobile is you'll get let me just go back here. All right, so you'll get 10 to 14% discount on around 300 prepaid products. Alright? Imagine that. And that is good for life. Like, I mean, for the next 10 years, I think, gagamit ka pa rin ng load. Right? And gagamit pa rin ako ng load. Imagine that you can get 10 to 14% discount for that. Okay? So meaning, if you can get this kind of discount, 10 to 14%, then pwede mo siyang gawin business, right? Meaning, sa family members mo, you can load them, sa kanila sa ipapaload, then you're gonna earn money, and then you can save money as well, alright? So, pwede mo pa siyang gamitin sa mga kaopisina mo, classmate mo, anything, or kung gusto mo siyang gawin business, pwede. Kung may existing ka ng tindahan, pwedeng ito na lang gamitin mo pang load, right? Now, ang price ng anyway, before we get into that, just to let you know, ang demand ng load sa Philippines is malakas. I mean, malaki. Kasi sa Pilipinas pa lang is 78 million na ang Pilipinong merong cellphone as of January of 2010. So meaning, mas marami nang gumagamit ng cellphone ngayon, which is September of 2011, right? So just check that. I mean, just imagine that. Kung gaano kalaki ang market. This is something that's bigger than the internet. Alright? If I'm banking money online, alright, basically this a niche. This something that's going to work for long term. So that's why ito ang napili ko. Alright? Now, if you're gonna ask for the cost of the product, it's only 3,988 pesos. Unlike other products out there na mura nga pero hindi naman talaga hindi man talaga siya ginagamit. So that's why yung value ng product niya is it's not really worth it, right? Meron naman product na okay, maganda, effective, but it's super expensive. I mean, hindi siya ma-afford ng average Joe like me and you, right? And the value that you'll be getting for this 3,988 pesos is you're gonna get 20 Tecno user access card. This one. Meaning, yung 10 to 14% discount mong yon is multiplied by 20. Alright? So, sa family members mo pa lang, kapamilya mo, pwede mong ibenta yung access card for like 250 pesos. And then, profit ka na kagad doon. I'm gonna explain that to you later. But also, sa 3,988 pesos mo is meron ka ng 20 product quick guides, meron price list, 20 pieces, tarpaulins, wherein pwede mong i-post sa harapan ng bahay nyo if you wanna open up the business. And then, this other two, right? Tong smart SIM packs na pwede mong gamitin if you don't wanna use your own SIM card. Pero you can just use your same SIM card and then pwede mong i-open up yung business doon. Right? Now, dito sa 20 access card na to, you can sell that for 250 pesos each. I mean, madali na sigurong ibenta yung 250 pesos to someone na may ma-offeran mo ng 10 to 14% discount sa load for life. Right? And actually, once na ma-dispatch mo lahat ng 20 access card na yan, ang balik sa pera mo niyan is 5,000 pesos. So from there, kita ka na ng 1,000, right? So return of investment. I mean, profit ka na kagad. At the same time, pwede mo pa nga siyang ibigay na lang eh. Right? If you may notice why, kasi meron tayong tinatawag na cash or access card override. So meaning, you're gonna earn 1 to 2% for every load consumed by its access card. So let's say someone is using the access card na nabenta mo or binigay mo na lang. And then, let's say ginawa niya business. And then, he is using it or she's using it like 1,000 pesos per day, every day. Ganun yung business niya. And then, 20 na access card mo is ganun din ang productivity. You can earn as much as 6,000 per month. It could be more, it could be less. But guaranteed that this is something that's going to be good for life. Alright. Okay. And one more thing, if we're going to check on the networking part of V-Mobile, maganda rin siya. Alright. Why? Because let's say you actually afford that. I mean, you bought that Technopreneur pack na tig 3,988 pesos, and then someone is interested to join sa business mo and gawin din yung ginagawa mo, right? You're gonna get 500 pesos for that for each of your referrals. Alright? Let's say medyo moin under you, may 500 pesos ka. Medyo moin sa'yo dito sa may kaliwa, may 500 pesos ka. Then nagmatch yan, itong dalawang yan. Meron kang 500 pesos commission for that each time na magmamatch itong dalawa. Alright? And the good thing is, you don't have to balance that. Alright? Let's say, meron kang pumasok ditong isa. Again, meron na naman ditong isa. Alright, ito, isa. And then, ito, magmamatch itong dalawa. So, 500 pesos yan. Right? Let's say ito, nag-invite na naman ng isa. Dito. Match na naman yan. So, 500 pesos na naman yan. Right? And this good for infinity. Dire-diretso yan. So, ito ang possible mong pwedeng kitain. Right? So, just look on the figure here. And on my third video, I have a very effective plan para mag-work yan. Alright? So, if you're thinking that this is something that's too good to be true, then think again. Alright? Kasi, ang may-ari ng V-Mobile is walang iba kundi si Penta Capital. Alright? Penta Capital is an investment corporation na ang mga client niya naman is itong mga ito na nakita mo sa picture. Alright? Shell, Petron, KFC. And Penta Capital Company is established here since 1957. See that? So, basically, big time si Penta Capital. This is something na worth it if you're going to put your effort on it, okay? And, you know, for the next couple of years or couple of months, we both know na this company is is here to stay. So that's why, nag-engage na ako sa business and, you know, bumili na kagad ako ng pako sa may V-Mobile. Now, one last thing here in my second video. Question is, bakit kailangan mong jumoin kay Greed for Money? what is the difference, why, basically, ipapaliwanag ko sa iyo sa may third video ko. Because I have a plan, which is a very concrete plan, na hindi ginagawa ng mga traditional networker, alright, out there. You see them na successful, right? Na magaganda yung mga kotse, magagara, all that stuff. But there is something that they're missing. So that's why most of the, karamihan sa grupo nila is not really making money. Yung karamihan sa iba. And I don't want that to happen. Alright? So that's why I stood up, and I think this is the time that I have to lead. And one more thing here, I have a surprise to you. If you click on the next video below this, if you click on the link below this video, I'm gonna show you how the plan is going to work. Alright? So, dun muna tayo. So again, I thank you for watching my second video, this Greed for Money, and you have a good night. So just click on the link below and watch my third video. Alright, bye-bye now.